Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's the most amazing news for you. Since the Industrial Revolution, microbes have steadily adapted to and colonized a range of new environments such as marine oil spills, plastic debris in the oceans, industrial brownfields, and even the interior of the International Space Station. However, it turns out that one extreme environment harboring a specialized community of highly adapted microbes is much closer to home. Inside microwaves. These findings has now been reported for the first time in a study in Frontiers in Microbiology by researchers from Spain. It is not only important from the perspective of hygiene but could also inspire biotechnological application if the strains found inside microbes can be put to good use in industrial processes that require especially hardy bacteria. Our results reveal that domestic microwaves have a more anthropized microbiome similar to kitchen surfaces, while laboratory microwaves harbor bacteria that are more resistant to radiation, said Daniel Torrent, one of the authors and a researcher at the startup Darwin Bioprospecting Excellence SL in Paterna, Spain. Torrent and colleagues sampled microbes from inside 30 microwaves, 10 each from single household kitchens, another 10 from shared domestic spaces, for example, corporate centers, scientific institutes and cafeteria, and 10 from molecular biology and microbiology laboratories. The aim behind this sampling scheme was to see if these microbial communities are influenced by food interactions and user habits. They used two complementary methods to inventorize the microbial diversity, next generation sequencing and cultivation of 101 strains on 5 different media. In total, the researchers found 747 different genera within 25 bacterial phyla. The most frequently encountered phyla were Firmicutes, Actinobacteria, and especially Proteobacteria. They found that the composition of the typical microbial community partly overlapped between shared domestic and single household domestic microwaves, while laboratory microwaves were quite different. The diversity was lowest in single household microwaves and highest in laboratory ones. So beware. Behind this exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.